For me, Bush Blitz was an opportunity to get up into a part of northern Western Australia that I've never been to before, and it's sort of Australia is a hotbed of biodiversity, and the West is particularly diverse. So for me, working on insects, this is it's heaven.
The naming of a species, giving a species a name, is so important. A species can't be protected if we don't know what it is. At Bush Blitz we say, if you don't know what you've got, you can't protect it.
So for me, it's a mechanism by which we can learn something pretty detailed about one little spot on the countryside.
While we're doing this field work, we're almost guaranteed in terms of insects, we're going to be finding new species. You know, it'll take a while to put names on all these things.
Because collecting stuff in the field is actually the easy bit. The really hard work is now going back to our various host institutions and doing the research, comparing them to previously described species, working out whether they're the same or not, do molecular work, DNA work to see whether they're the same. These projects are pretty short and sharp when you're in the field. There's a huge amount of work afterwards.
Why are they new species? We have to name the species, we have to discover them, and we have to document them in order to be able to say how many there are, why they're there, whether they're isolated in small pockets, whether their ecology is threatened, trying to do this all on an evidence-based scientific approach so that conservation can be informed by science and actually achieve.
I love it here and I don't want to go back to my other office. This is the best office you can ever have.